this weekend.
Welcome back to 12 News. The Sedgwick County Zoo says its Tropics habitat is back open after closing in late December because of bird flu. The zoo says bird flu activity has decreased in our area, which means it's safe to reopen the exhibit, which features a large number of birds. The zoo says they'll remain cautious and will continue to monitor active cases and do surveillance testing. Bird flu continues to spread among commercial and backyard poultry nationwide. As of January 23rd, the Department of Agriculture reports there are 98 infected flocks within the past 30 days, with more than 15 million birds infected. 200 Palestinian prisoners are